Hi, it's Crossing the Line by Angus Maciver. Today I will demonstrate Chapter 6, The Red Indians and the Bluebird. Let's get started. For more details on the chapter and for online classes, please comment below or WhatsApp the show number on the thumbnail. I hope you have read the chapter. Let's get started with the questions on the story. Questions on the story. Number one. What three words are used to tell that it is a true story? Founded on fact. Number two. In what year did it happen? In 1860. Number three. Name the ship. Termagant. Number four. For which port was she bound? Bound from London for the port of San Francisco on the west coast of United States. Number five. Give the route taken by ships in those days. Crossed the Atlantic, rounded Cape Cone at the tip of South America, and then proceeded northwards along the coast until they reached their destination. Number six. What caused them to run short of provisions? The first part of the trip across the Atlantic took much longer than expected. Number seven. How did the crew obtain food? Each evening in the neighboring coast, the crew shoot on some waterfowl to obtain it as food. Number eight. What prize did the writer secure one evening? By a passing bluebird of remarkable beauty. Number nine. What did he do with it? He shot at the bluebird and slung it over his shoulder. Number 10. What caused him to stray towards the forest? He spotted a flock of birds of the same kind of the one he had shot, and it caused him to stray towards the forest. Number 11. Who chased and surrounded him? The Red Indians. Number 12. What did he come up upon in the heart of the forest? He came upon an Indian encampment with its wigwams, squaws, and campfires. Number 13. What peculiar design had the chief on his leather tunic? A fine embroidered design of the bird that is as same as the bird which was slung over the writer's shoulder. Number 14. What punishment did he expect to receive? Burned to death or buried alive or chopped into pieces. Number 15. Describe the scene round the campfire. The drums were beaten and the women set up a dismal wail, a young brave uttering a wild cry, swinging a heavy club, dancing around, making frightful faces and gestures. Number 16. What idea flashed suddenly through his mind? The idea of the bluebird hanging on the writer's shoulder must be the center of attraction. Number 17. What song did he sing? Old Lang Syne. Number 18. What dance he try to do? Did he try to do? Highland Fling. Number 19. When did he reach the coast after his escape? By the time day had dawned. Number 20. Who came to his assistance? The search party. That is the end of questions on the story. Let's start with the interesting facts. Questions on the interesting facts. Number 1. A. Give a Red Indian name for white people. B. What is the name given to the special territories in which red people live? Number A. Pale faces. Number B. Reservations. Number 2. Name 5 famous Red Indian tribes. Apache, Blackfeet, Cherokees, Crees, Iroquois, Mohawk, Navajo, and Sioux. Number 3, what are the following codes? A. A Red Indian wife. B. A Red Indian baby. A. A squaw. B. A papoose. Number 4, name 3 types of Red Indian dwellings. Wigwam, teepee, longhouse, pueblo. Number 5, what was wampum? Ornamental beads made from shells was widely used as money. Number 6. Name some of the things which the Red Indians taught to use. Moccasins, snowshoes, toboggans, hammocks, tobacco, and potatoes. Number 7. Who was the medicine man? A. That is A. B is describe a Red Indian festival dance. Number A. The Red Indian believed magic powers to be present in the sun, moon, and stars, and the medicine man, the witch doctor, was supposed to be able to control these powers. Number B. They painted themselves in very bright colors and danced wildly round their fires, calling loudly for supernatural aid to ensure food supplies for the future. Number 8A. What was the purpose of totem pole? B. What was the happy hunting ground? Number 8. The carved totem poles with their peculiar designs were thought to protect them from danger and hunger, and they were held sacred. B. It is known as the paradise that they expected to live after death. Number 9. What cruel forms of torture did the Red Indians inflict on their victims? They often raided the settlements of the early pioneers and ambushed the covered wagons on the trail, taking their victims' scalps to display as a sign of their courage and daring in battle. Number 10. Name 2 famous hunters who took part in many expeditions against Indians on the warpath. Daniel Boone and Buffalo Bill or William Cody. That is the end of interesting interesting facts. Let's see you in development exercises. Development exercises. Number 1. A. Trace the Termagant's outward voyage on the map. B. Trace the usual present-day shipping route between Liverpool and San Francisco. A. Termagant's outward voyage on the map. B. Trace the usual present-day shipping route between Liverpool and San Francisco. B. The Red Indians were the original natives of North America, who were the original natives of Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. Country Australia natives are indigenous Australians. Country New Zealand, the Maori, the indigenous Polynesian people. This country South Africa, the natives are the Caucasian. Number 3, the crew ran short of provisions and rationing was introduced. What is the purpose of rationing? The purpose of rationing is to control the distribution of resources, goods, or services that are in high demand and limited supply during a crisis. Number 4, the bluebird appeared to be the special sign of that particular tribe. Of what countries are the following creatures the national emblem? Lion, eagle, bear, kangaroo, beaver, springbok, elephant, cock, dragon. Lion is for Sri Lanka. Eagle is for United States. Bear is for Russia. Kangaroo is for Australia. Beaver is for Canada. Springbok is for South Africa. Elephant is for Thailand. Cock is for France. Dragon is for Bhutan. Number 5, complete the following table. Number 1 is done for you. Masculine, feminine, baby or babies. Father, mother, son. Man, woman, child. Braves, corpse, papoose. Negro, negress, black baby. King, queen, prince. Number 6. Maize is popularly known as Indian corn. What national names are used for special kind of the following? Stew is for feijoada, national name given to food. Cakes is for sashatote. Delight is locum. Onion, spherical bulb. Rabbit, Welsh rabbit. Sausage, wurst. Butter, ghee. Tart, pastel di nata. Bun, bauzy. Toffee, candy. Cheese, emmental. Number 7, the Red Indians had different kinds of homes, such as the teepee, wigwam, longhouse, and pueblo. Who live in the following? Igloo, kraal, doa, tent, caravan, manse, monastery, convent. In an igloo, people like Eskimos live. Kraal, Zulu. Door, Arabs. Tent, in tents, Mongols or nomadic people live. Caravan, Romani people. Manse, a Christian minister will live. Monastery, monks will live. Convent, nuns and religious sisters will live in there. Number 8. From the picture words on page 53, can you write the following sentences in the Indian language? A. Although it was a stormy morning, the man killed a bear in the mountains. Rain clouds for stormy morning. Morning. Man killed bear in the mountains. B. At night, when the weather cleared, they had plenty of food in the Indian camp. Night, clear weather, weather is clear. Much food, plenty food in the Indian camp. That is the end of development exercises. That is the end of chapter 6. See you in chapter 7. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. DJ Academy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.